If you already know how to solve a 3x3, solving a 2x2 should be one of the easiest tasks you'll ever have to do. It's just really simple, you should just be able to figure it out on your own. But if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, this video is for you. This video will teach you how to solve a 2x2 with no experience with cubing whatsoever. The first thing you're going to want to do is identify a white piece, hold it on the bottom, and to the left, like this. So now you're going to look at the top layer and find another white piece and rotate the top layer till it's into the top right here. Now you're going to have to repeat this really simple algorithm. Watch my hands as they turn the cube and just follow this pattern. And you will repeat that pattern until it is in its solved spot, which we got lucky. Now we're going to rotate to where this piece is not solved. And by solved, I mean with white facing the bottom, with a white sticker right where I'm pointing. And now we will again look at the top layer to rotate it until a piece with white in it is in this spot. Now again, we are going to repeat the algorithm until it's in its spot. Do the same thing with the last one. And now they are all in their spots like this. You may get a case where you still have an unsolved one, but you can't find a piece with white in it in the top layer. This is a very easy fix. It means it is in the bottom layer, just simply rotate it a bit. All you need to do is hold it so that that unsolved piece is right here in this spot, and just do the algorithm until it solves itself. Okay, so once you get this white face, you're going to want to fix all of the edges so that the edges are completely solved. Now, how you do this is really easy. Here is a quick little intuitive algorithm that will swap this piece with this piece. So you're going to bring this piece down like that, rotate this top layer like this, bring the piece back up to from where you took it, and now rotate it the other way, and now bring this piece up to here like that. And doing that will swap these two pieces. If you ever have this case where there is no bar on the side, you only have to repeat that 2 times. And then you're back to this case where you can do it again. Once you have the white solved, you're going to solve the yellow next, and how we're going to do this is we are going to find any unsolved yellow piece, and by unsolved, I mean any piece without yellow facing the opposite direction of white. So that would be this piece, and we are going to repeat the simple algorithm from earlier until it is facing down. Rotate. Now this is very important, don't mess this up. Rotate the bottom layer only to the next piece. Not the whole cube, just the bottom layer to the next unsolved piece and move on from there. There you go. Now you may notice that this top part completely unsolved itself and then fixed itself again. Don't worry, that's normal. That's how it happens 100% of the time. Once you have the yellow done, you are going to notice that some of the times, most of the time actually, you don't have it completely solved yet. You'll likely have 2 pieces swapped or 2 pieces swapped like this. So how you fix this is very simple. Now I'm going to show you a quick algorithm that swaps this piece and this piece. And it is 14 moves, so it's not the easiest algorithm, but with a little practice, you'll be able to get it. So, watch very carefully. And from there, you swap to these 2 pieces, and then you can solve it from there. Now, if you have this case where you don't have a bar, all you need to do is do that algorithm, and then there will be a bar somewhere where you can solve it from there. And that is literally everything you need to know to solve a 2x2. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful, and leave a comment and a like if it was. And yeah, thanks for watching.